Welcome back, everybody. We're going to close out a very strong end of the month. The end of June, it was just loaded with new releases, and this one is, I think, the last big release of the month, and it is 1819 Chronicles Basketball. 6 packs per box, 8 cards per pack, 2 autographs per box on average. We're looking for Luca, we're looking for Trey, we're looking for any other goodies that this box may contain. Let's check out the odds. Everybody knows, if you watch the channel at all, you know I'm a fan of Chronicles. But I did stick with just one box of this for now. Let's see what it looks like, and then I'll decide about more. There's free digital packs if anybody wants them. And there are the odds. Let's see. As usual, lots of parallels. Lots and lots and lots of parallels. Crusade. Obsidian Preview. That's different. Origins rookie autographs. Momentous rookie autos. Not mementos. Although that would work too. Yeah, as usual, Chronicles has a lot of stuff in it, so there we go. Beautiful. Stick pack. Let's get into it and see what we can get here. Alright, there is the base card, which looks just like the baseball did. This is, oh yeah, this is going to take a minute. This is Majestic, and I cannot read it. It is Wendell Carter Jr., so it's our red rookie to 149. Rookie, what does that say? Curix? I can't read it either. Yeah. This is Marquee. Sorry, I'm holding it where you can't see it. Then we have Mo Bamba. That is Marquee Red, 149. A Phoenix Michael Porter Jr. rookie, very nice. Oh wow, look at this. An Obsidian Doncic rookie. That looks sweet. That's nice. There it is, the preview, the Obsidian preview. That's very cool. Then we have a DeAndre Ayton rookie, Luminance. And rounding it out with Bruce Brown rookie. This is just a Panini, basic Panini. Very cool first pack. Of course, now I'm sitting there wishing I had another box of this, but oh well. Chronicles is a lot of fun to open because of all the different stuff in it. It's really cool. Alright, Sabonis base, Rubio base, Drummond parallel to 99. Looks like a blue. Josh Okogie Marquee rookie. A Studio Alonzo Trier rookie. Chronicles Chrome, Lonnie Walker the 4th rookie. Another Obsidian. This looks like it's blue though. It is a preview and it is blue. It's numbered to 99. So there are even parallel versions of that. The last card of this pack is Omari Spellman rookie playoff. I don't know if you can hear it storming here. If you're hearing something booming in the background, that's what it is. Alright, base card of, hang on, James Harden. And a base Wendell Carter Jr. rookie. Curix rookie playoff. Although that is gold and it's numbered out of 3 out of 10. I was thinking that foil there looks gold, and it is, so that is a super short print. Here is an Elite Bagley rookie. So this is designed like last year's Elite Football. Essentials, Jaren Jackson Jr. rookie. Crusade, Jerome Robinson rookie. A Chandler Hutchinson XR autograph patch to 25. That is a good looking card. Got a little bit of something right there. Not too bad. I don't know what that is. Anyways, it's numbered out of 25 and it looks really good. 3-color. Sweet. Man, that's nice. And the last card is Jerome Robinson Panini rookie. That's a nice first hit. Still looking for one other autograph in here. Alright, starting off with Jason Tatum. Let's set these down. Next up is Kevin Knox Majestic rookie. This is gold again, numbered out of 10. So another super short print. 2 cards numbered out of 10. Alexander Essentials rookie. Nice. Luka Marquee rookie. So that makes 2 of him. Wendell Carter Jr. Crusade rookie. A Kevin Knox Phoenix rookie. This looks like it's red. Yeah, numbered out of 149. So it is a parallel. A Gary Clark Luminance. And another Luka Panini this time. Alright, 2 more packs. Kemba Walker base card. A filler. What is this? Black something. Hang on, let me see. Say Black Box Elite Series. I think Jaren Jackson Jr. to 249. I think up there it says Black Box, if I'm reading that correctly. It's really hard to read, and it doesn't say on the back, so it's the first one of those. Another Essentials Mitchell Robinson. D'Anthony Melton Marquee. Anthony Simmons Chronicles Chrome. Another Chronicles Chrome parallel, DeAndre Ayton, and this looks to be blue, orange, numbered out of 99. I think in blue. I'm assuming the top colors make the difference. A Alexander playoff rookie. And Wendell Carter Jr. Luminance rookie. Alright, last pack. Still looking for that other autograph that should be in here. About to find out. Alright. Got Al Horford base card and Chris Middleton. Anthony Davis red to 149. Kevin Knox Studio. McCall Bridges rookie Essentials A Curix. I guess I need to pronounce that because I'm getting a ton of him in this box. Another Chronicles Chrome. Well, this is an interesting hit. A vet hit. Vlade Divac. On card Vanguard Jersey Auto to 99. That's a little bit unexpected, but mighty cool. Nice. Really happy with these two hits. Both had jersey in them, material in them, so that was a nice extra. And Okogie playoff rookie. You know, I'd forgotten how much fun Chronicles really is. I may grab another box of this since I didn't rush out and get another box of Elite Football or Stadium Club Baseball, so I may let myself treat myself to one more box of it, because I forgot how much fun these are to open with all the different products and just countless combinations of players and tons of rookies and some really interesting hits. So Chronicles is a lot of fun. So that's that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you. I'll be back with the next break soon.